So lower down there's two strings of 12, and upper there's one string of 11. That string of 11, the two strings of 12 are in parallel. The string of 11, they're all on the north side. The string of 11 goes with this string of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on the west side. Have a good look at that. There it is. So two strings of 11, two strings of 12 into the Fronius inverter. On this little section here, there's a string of 3 on the west, a string of 3 on the north. Just quickly, and another string of 3 on the east. Now these ones are all in parallel, so they need some string fuse protection right there. And they are ZJ Beanie whatever's. There we go. Now that there is an existing grid connect system, 5 kilowatts now on the south roof. Here's our programmable logic controller there. I've got lots of photos of how this works to control the changeover switch from the Fronius to the grid, Fronius to the off-grid, the load to the grid and the load to the off-grid. Two sets of changeover switches there. Also a manual changeover switch, auto, off in the middle and grid down if the system goes off. Alright, moving right along. Main switchboard, all the loads are down here. A few control circuits on the grid side. Kilowatt hour meter to limit the export to 5 kilowatts. Lots of grid supply, off-grid supply, Fronius inverter, Aurora grid connect inverter, control box. Alright, over here, there's the changeover design of mine. Very, very good. It's got interlocked contactors with electrical interlocks. Here we go, batteries. Now, had to split these so I could get 6 on each cable, because I didn't want to have double ups in this 4-pole breaker. Goes into the Victron 10 kilowatt unit off grid. So all the battery cables there. We've got this split there so that 2 batteries go with this lot, 2 batteries go with this lot. Total of 30 kilowatt hours of batteries. What else? Don't worry about that mini board that comes from the main switchboard. Here's that solar controller for the little groups of 3 panels up there. There's about 3 kilowatts on there in total. Goes through here. We've got a battery one and a PV one. This one comes from this 8 kilowatt Fronius inverter. Currently doing 5.8 kilowatts right now. It's connected to the Victron using frequency dependent voltage reduction. It's got some control wiring in there going to that PLC, just so that, you know, different conditions to switch it over. This is isolated from here. The Fronius is isolated here, and that's isolated there, and the batteries are isolated there. So that's that. It's pretty much the whole system.